Do you know what I love about McKinney? It's that a lot of the newer or new construction that we've had has this European element to it. If you're familiar with Adriatica, you will know what I'm talking about. Hey guys, Amanda Rivar, local McKinney, Texas realtor, and today I'm gonna be showing you something pretty unique. I'm gonna give you a tour of this beautiful home in an area that is not super well known of, which is, as the Americans would say, Provence. It's actually Provence. You speak French, great. I know my accent is not perfect, but here we are. This neighborhood is super cute. It's basically like a French chateau style, which has a mix of townhomes and single family homes. There's an actual authentic 19th century European statue. There's tons of bubbling fountains. It is very French. Welcome home to this 2,600 square foot new construction with 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. This one is currently listed for right under $720,000. The designer finishes include stunning oak wood floors in all the living areas and staircase. The kitchen features upgraded Calcutta quartz countertops with waterfall island. The kitchen also features a farmhouse sink, LG stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets, and it's really a gorgeous kitchen. Nothing beats a beautiful open flowing floor plan for entertaining. They used this area as a study, but it would function much better as a bedroom since it is the only bedroom downstairs and it does have a full bath attached. Upstairs, you have this flex space, a full bath. You also have the primary bedroom with primary bathroom suite and 2 additional guest bedrooms. The main drawback of this house is that there is no yard. Thank you for joining me on my tour of this beautiful home today. If you do have any questions, feel free to email, call, or text me. All my information is in the description below. If you have questions, even about the area or areas similar to this, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help. See you on the next video.